So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about genetic diagrams. So in a previous video on X and Y chromosomes, we considered how genetic diagrams can be used to show possible gamete combinations. So in this video, we'll also see how genetic diagrams can be used to show possible combination of other characters. So here, what genes you inherit control what characters you develop. Different genes control different characteristics. Some characteristics are controlled by a single gene. Example, red-green color blindness in humans, or the mouse fur color. However, most characteristics are controlled by several genes interacting. All genes exist in different versions called alleles. So you have two versions of every gene in your body, one on each chromosome in a pair. So if an organism has two alleles for a particular gene that are the same, then it is homozygous for that trait. If it's two alleles for a particular gene that are different, then it is heterozygous. Now, if two alleles are different, only one can determine what characteristics is present. The alleles for the characteristics that is shown is called the dominant allele, and the other is called the recessive. For an organism to display a recessive characteristic, both its allele must be recessive. But to display a dominant characteristic, the organism can be either homozygous or heterozygous, because the dominant allele overrules the recessive one if the plant or animal or other organism is heterozygous. Your genotype is a combination of alleles you have. Your alleles work at a molecular level to determine what characteristic you have. That is your phenotype. So it is important for you to understand the difference between the genotype and the phenotype, just like we say. So suppose you start breeding hamsters with superpowers. The allele which causes hamsters to have superpowers is recessive, whilst the normal behavior is due to a dominant allele. So the superpowered hamster must have the genotype, but a normal hamster could be. So here is an example to illustrate this. So guys, here is a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.